Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal, and in this video, I am going to have a casual discussion with one of the DNA Platinum member. His name is Mr. Chaitanya Kumar. He is from Andhra Pradesh, and he is into network marketing business for last 3 years. Before network marketing, he was into job, and then he did some of his traditional business, and then he came into network marketing. Initially, he was building his business offline, completely offline, and later he switched to 100% online mode. So he's into DNA Club for past few months, and he has done really great. Okay, by generating multiple income streams by without losing focus from network marketing. So today in this casual discussion, I'm going to ask some questions from him. And we will understand his journey, and also he is going to share with you, apart from network marketing, how he is able to make money from multiple streams without losing focus from his main business, that is network marketing. Okay, so that is the agenda of this meeting. So Chaitanya, welcome to this conversation.
Yeah, thank you so much, Tarun sir. I'm so excited about this interview.
Right.
So before the start, let me introduce myself. My name is Chaitanya Kumar. I am from Andhra,
Hmm.
Tirupati. So this is my native place is Tirupati. So actually, sir, already you told that I'm from basic job. I'm an employee, and then I shifted to my traditional business. I done 8 years traditional business, my traditional business. Then I shifted to network marketing business.
Right.
So my family friend, my family friend Sudhak Reddy is introduced my network company.
Hmm.
So doubtly I entered into network marketing.
Okay.
So because I have some bad experience in other before company,
Hmm.
so I switched to doubtly I switched to network marketing company.
Okay.
But in future is network marketing. I believe that in future is the network marketing. But I think that okay, go to network marketing, then you can earn some money. So
Right.
I shifted to network marketing. So last 3 years I'm doing my full time career,
Hmm.
but I run my network marketing business entirely offline.
Right.
So I invested a lot of efforts, time, money to
Hmm.
get results.
Hmm.
So, and meanwhile, I'm using social media also to post some photos in network about network marketing. But I posted my network marketing company
Hmm. Right.
photos, videos. I put everything in my profile pic.
Hmm.
So I didn't get a lot of results from that work.
Hmm.
So I watched many YouTube videos about network marketing. So 2020 we have pandemic situation.
Right.
So entirely closed. The business was closed.
Hmm.
So then I want to shift to digitally.
Hmm.
So what at the time I'm searching lot of mentors.
Hmm.
I watched a lot of videos also.
Okay.
Before COVID, I already following you in YouTube. So
Hmm.
because of same company,
Yes. Right.
same videos I'm watching from Tarun sir. So okay, that's why I'm following you through YouTube.
Okay.
Then one day I found your workshop. Sorry,
Webinar.
webinar.
Hmm.
Webinar. Yeah,
Hmm.
I watched your webinar through YouTube.
Hmm. Right.
So then I realized that complete digital is the future. So I
Right.
want to shift complete digital.
Hmm.
Then I took decision in November
Okay.
2020.
November 2020. Yes.
And November 2020, I entered into DNA. So I watched the entire videos in your DNA
Hmm.
within span of 15 to 20 days.
Hmm.
I shifted to platinum.
Okay. Yes.
So I want to more knowledge. So actually I have some team.
Hmm.
So I'm maintaining some team. So
Right.
you told that the platinum is the for team maintaining.
Right.
So platinum is useful for team maintenance,
It is mainly for advanced level
advanced level.
where you learn
So
information
yeah,
and team management. Yes.
yeah. So I want to shift to platinum. So I within 15 days I purchased platinum also.
Right.
So that's why that is my journey from my offline to online.
Hmm.
So now I'm completely 100% digital. I'm doing my network marketing business right now.
Wonderful, wonderful. So that's a very good that you have shared your entire journey. Let me tell you who are listening to us. Let me tell you that his Chaitanya's I mean mother tongue. Okay, that the language is Telugu. I don't know Telugu, and he is not very much comfortable with Hindi and English. So, but still, I hope you are able to understand what we are discussing. Okay,
Yes.
so yeah, so great. So Chaitanya, the topic of this conversation is all about how you are able to generate money from multiple income streams, because especially I have two you can say two stages in DNA. One is DNA Gold. It is all about building business online using social media, content marketing, lead generation, all those things. And Platinum is all about earning money from multiple sources without losing focus from network marketing. So my question to you is, apart from network marketing, how are you, or what kind of income streams you have added after joining DNA Club?
Yeah. So actually, before DNA, I have only one income source.
Right, that is network.
So yeah, that is network marketing.
Right.
So if anybody came to my circle, I supposed to give to only one income source only to them also. So when I came to DNA, first of all, I realized that uh, in network marketing there is a some ratio is there, 10:2.
Right.
So if you connect to 10 peoples, we will get only 2 peoples for our network marketing company.
Right.
So what about that 8 peoples? So
Right.
I really thanks to DNA because we can earn those 8 peoples also.
Right.
So that is the most I liked in this DNA. So then I started implementation in what DNA courses are told.
Right.
So in that in that my network marketing business, somebody is asking me, Chaitanya, which camera is using?
Right.
So somebody is asking some which mic you are using. So I'm some techie boy in my team.
Right.
So somebody asking some softwares, give me some softwares, tools. So they are asking like that. Before that, I done so go to there and go and purchase there. Go and for example, my planner asking, tell me which laptop is good.
Which laptop is
So
good?
I search in Google, sir, take this laptop. This is very good configuration.
Right.
That's why I told.
Mm.
Then when I came to DNA, I got knowledge. By giving suggestion, you can earn money also.
Absolutely. Mm.
So last 2 months back, my team was asking, call me, Chaitanya, give me some suggestions about, give me one webcam. So nowadays we're doing complete Zoom meetings now. So tell me one webcam which you are using. So I simply told that, so no problem, I'll send you link for you. You can purchase from there. So I purchased from that link only. I told them. So I use my Amazon affiliate link. So I have already Amazon affiliate link. So I use that link and I shared to my friend also. So I got a commission from that only. So he is a different team.
Right.
I didn't get any money from them, but for giving suggestion, I'm earning money.
Absolutely.
So this formula I know from DNA.
Absolutely. And the beauty of this is, see, we are already giving advice. We are into network marketing business and we are surrounded with people, and everybody takes advice. I mean, somebody will ask, okay, which writing pad are you using, which mouse, which camera, which whatever. So when people ask advice from us, we're already giving advice for free. You're not charging anything for the advice, right?
Yes.
You just told them, okay, this is a laptop, this is a webcam, and you are just giving advice for free. You're not charging anything. So they are getting value for free. That is fine. But in background, what is happening? You are actually generating sales for Amazon. And if you become Amazon affiliate partner, you are not actually by just consciously understanding or adding another income stream, you are not charging anything from the other person. At the same time, you are giving good quality advice, and you are you are claiming your commission from Amazon, right? So in this case, you are not losing focus from network marketing at all. You're giving value to the other person. So there are 3 people who win in this case. Number 1, person who is getting advice for free. Number 1, he is winning. Number 2, Amazon is winning because you are generating sales for Amazon. And at class number 3, you are winning because you are getting some claim, or you are claiming some commission from Amazon. Okay, so this is known as affiliate marketing. Giving advice for free and you are making money. So this is number 1, affiliate marketing with Amazon.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm
So
just noting
number
it.
2, I'm using content marketing. So I used to content marketing in YouTube.
Okay.
So in YouTube also I am getting earning. So I got I am monetizing my YouTube channel.
Right.
So then I use earning from YouTube also.
Great, good.
So that is my second income. So through YouTube, when I giving my knowledge to prospects, they called me to give me some more suggestions.
Right.
Then I kept consultation fees also.
Consultation.
So for consultation also, through consultation I earn some money also. So this is my third income, and these are all ice cream money. What Tarun sir told, these are ice cream money.
This is not
So,
main course.
Yes.
Main course is from network marketing only, but
Yes.
these go in parallel, and because of this, we are also able to generate leads. We're also able to build our influence, brand. People know us. Even on my YouTube channel, you will find so many videos related to tools. And even today also, when we are shooting this video, today also at 5 p.m., I have a meeting with somebody who want to know more about Kajabi. He's not into network marketing. He wants to know about Kajabi. I will tell him about Kajabi. At the same time, I will also tell him about my business. So this way we are also doing prospecting. Okay.
Exactly.
So both things go parallelly. Yes. Okay. Third is you give consultation to people. Good.
Yeah. So fourth one is very important. In this month, you already launched info product.
Right. Info product.
So on that info product, I immediately I want to launch my info product in this end of the month. I am launching my info product also. I already created my info product. So I supposed to be earn from info product also.
Right.
And the good thing is one more thing. In the end of the year, I am launching my community, paid community.
Okay. Nice.
So the total knowledge I already getting from DNA. So I want to implement it more. So I have my network marketing business and I have my team. I want to implement everything. So that's why only I am taking some time to improve quality in my community, paid community. So that is also one of my next agenda is I want to build my paid community in Telugu. So Telugu, there is no there is no knowledge in there. So that's why only I want to make some community. So I want to start my community, paid community. So that is also one of my income source.
Right.
So
Wonderful.
these are all the ice cream money. But my main intention is my main money is my network marketing. So this is the beauty is what is the beauty in this means we can't distract from network marketing. So you can you can get leads from YouTube to my network marketing.
Right.
When I give consultation, I get influence, and with my influence I can grab more leads from social medias and other platforms. So info products is my so that is also I built my influence, my authority in social media.
Right.
So it helps to my network marketing. So my one thing focus is network marketing.
Right.
Because actually when I shifted to digitally, when I used to my content in Telugu in different way. So network I didn't told any network company my company in my YouTube channel.
Right.
So my upline is thinking that he's doing some different work.
Absolutely.
So why are you using some different videos in YouTube? So there is no related in network marketing.
Absolutely.
So they're thinking differently, but they don't know I'm improving my influence.
Absolutely.
So it will take some time to understand my upliner. So now they converted to digital only.
Right.
So one by one they are converting everything. Everything now going to online. So my lucky is I am lucky person because I choose early what the future is going on.
Right.
So because of DNA. So that's why only I one step before what others doing.
Absolutely right. So absolutely. So let's do one thing. Um, let's note it down so that it becomes very clear to the people. MSI. When I say MSI, it means multiple sources of income. Okay.
Yes.
So Chetan, as you're saying, number one, it is Amazon affiliate for you because so many things we already recommend to other people. Okay. Next,
Not only Amazon, sir, we have some tools also. So affiliate, affiliate in Amazon. I already learned from Kajabi
Kajabi.
to DNA.
Yeah.
So to automate, so some tools is there, convert
That-
kit like that, and also one of the beauty is a DNA DNA affiliate program.
Absolutely. So you.
So these are the multiple incomes only in from affiliate.
Absolutely. So Amazon affiliate, Kajabi tool affiliate, DNA Club, as you are platinum member, you're
Yeah,
entitled to 50% commission. So
50% commission. Yes.
and then in DNA Club we have gold membership, gold at 7,999, and platinum is now when we are shooting this, it is 20,000, 19,700, 19,700. Okay.
Yes.
So this is platinum now. So just imagine if somebody who is into platinum, and if any of your referral, if he joins platinum, you get 10,000 commission at one go. Okay, so that is
Exactly.
then convert it 30%. This is 30%, and then Amazon. Wonderful. Another thing which you shared here is second is YouTube. You're making money through YouTube. Got it. YouTube is a source for lead generation, also person branding, influence building, also.
Exactly.
Third, you are also making money through consultation. People
Consultation.
who check out your YouTube channel, they may ask you for personal consultation, and for 1 hour you might be charging something.
Yes.
Then you have a digital product funnel where you create a small digital product.
Yes.
Okay, which is a one-time offer where you give that. Next, you are also launching your own paid community in your local language. Now this
Yes.
is a great problem solver for your own community. Okay, so
Exactly.
paid community in Telugu.
Yes.
So this is in future you are launching. Wonderful. And apart from this, sixth is definitely this is not at the last. This should be at the top.
Yes.
Okay.
That
This
is network marketing.
main business. Main business is network marketing. So all these other businesses which are going in parallel, this is how I do it, and the same way Chetan is also doing the same, and I really appreciate that. So our main business is network marketing only. But if just imagine whatever we have written here, we are not losing focus at all from network marketing. In fact, all these things are actually bringing some money to us without losing focus, without extra effort, without anything extra, because ultimately all this consultation, digital product, whatever you are doing, it is something related to network marketing only.
Exactly.
Right? So that is a really a nice strategy to build network marketing business, because ultimately we are here to make money in network marketing. Why to leave money on table? Why not to make money even from those people who say no to us? Out of 10, as you told, out of 10 only 1 or 2 people will join business, 8 or 9 people will not join. Why not we give some consultation to them? Why not we make money from them also? Got it. So this is an excellent strategy, and the same we all I have discussed all these strategies in detail in DNA Club. So you can check out DNA Club. I'm sharing the link below. Already, if you're following me on YouTube, you understand the kind of quality content which I'm creating. So Chaitanya he also watched my webinar and he came into DNA Club. So Chaitanya, next, before we close this conversation, I don't want this conversation to be a long conversation, but yes, at last, I just want to ask you, what is your ultimate goal in coming future? How do you look yourself with the amount of knowledge which you have gained in few months? I mean, before coming to DNA Club, and after coming to DNA Club, till now you have gained lots of knowledge, and you have already initiated so many businesses which are running in parallel. We cannot say how much you are making money. We don't want to reveal here, but at the same time, what do you think? What is the future? Where do you see yourself in 1 year with this knowledge?
Yeah. So before DNA, my more intention is making money. So after DNA, my more intention is I want real money.
Mm.
So in DNA, real money is
Mm.
freedom.
Mm.
So more time.
Mm.
So my main focus is freedom.
Right.
So money is in list already is there,
Mm.
but I want time. So I want get freedom.
Mm.
So while getting more freedom, I want to do consistency.
Right.
So I learn in DNA is consistency,
Mm.
create less, sorry, consume less and create more.
Right.
So
Mm.
that is my my tagline. So I want to implement everything what I learned. So yesterday I learned anything, today I want to be implement. So that is my main focus. So my future goal also, I want to be freedom. So more money I want to earn, real money I want to earn,
Nice.
freedom.
Mm.
So already my difference is completely one source of income. Now I getting multiple source of incomes through different part of streams, income streams.
Mm.
And I want to make influence myself. I'm
Mm.
expert in one thing.
Right.
So that is in future I want to be a expert in automation.
Right. Mm.
So in automation I am working on that. So my future goal is making my business in auto mode,
Mm.
god mode.
Mm.
And second thing, I want to be a free, I want to get some more real money also in my life.
Absolutely. So,
So
wishing you the best for that. You are on the right track, right? And just before we close this conversation, I want you all to go to Chaitanya's YouTube channel. You can just check out what kind of videos he is uploading on his YouTube channel. Though these videos are in his local language, that is Telugu, but at least you will understand the kind of videos he is putting up. And just follow him and just see in the videos what kind of call to action he is putting, his website, his funnels, all those things you can just check out. Okay, so I'm putting a link of his YouTube channel below this video. Okay, so check out Chaitanya's YouTube channel also. Okay, so Chaitanya, before we close, the final note: those who are listening to us, and those there are so many people who are thinking about coming to this beautiful community, DNA Club, and my intention is to bring more and more people. Now we have people from Hong Kong and Philippines and Canada, US, Dubai. We have people from other areas also apart from India. So if we have more than 1000 2000 more and more people in the community, it will bring more flavor, and it will also help other community members to learn from each other how they are building. And maybe one community member, by just following one or two community members, you may also get inspired, right? So what do you want to say to those people who are still thinking about whether to join DNA Club or not? Final, not in a long detail, but just in very brief.
yeah. So in starting I am also same that position answer. So I want to join or not. So because I don't know language, Hindi very much language.
Correct.
But simple word is in if you came to DNA, 100% you will success
Mm.
because I success.
Mm.
If I success, why can't you?
Right.
So this is a very beautiful company. I'm very much comfort in this community.
Mm.
I learned so much in from DNA. So this is not my sponsoring, but
Mm.
in my heart, this is very beautiful company. I very much learned from more knowledge,
Mm.
more skills. Knowledge is you can get anywhere, but
Mm.
excellent skills will get from DNA, which you want to improve in your life. Not only in network marketing, in any company, if you are in any industry, you are affiliate marketing, you are in real estate, anything, you can success in this community. Okay,
Absolutely.
so language is not a barrier. So
Mm.
there is the beautiful words is there, beautiful as
Mm.
you can understand simple. You can understand this language from
Mm.
Tarun sir. So
Mm.
I already 100% I completed my course also.
Mm.
So no, most of the people's not completed.
Mhm.
But in DNA, if you came to DNA, 100% you will complete it because that much of quality content in this community. So who are not a part of DNA,
Mm.
just come and watch the DNA first of all. So community is very beautiful. So
Right.
there is a beautiful offers is there for you. So you can come and join in DNA.
Right. Thank you very much. So, all right. So that was a nice having discussion with you, Chaitanya. So I would suggest you all who are watching us on YouTube or you are listening to us on podcast. So I would suggest you to check out all the links below this content and check out Chaitanya's YouTube channel. And also, I welcome you to DNA Club. Right now, when we are having this conversation, we have around 600 people in the community, and we are looking forward to have you, to serve you, give me a chance to serve you and to help you to build your network marketing business so that you sustain in this industry. And also to, I cannot guarantee that you will become the top achiever of the company, but I guarantee you this thing, that your business will be a very stable business because you will be making money from multiple streams without losing focus from the main business, that is network marketing. Okay, so wishing you the best with this. Let's close this conversation. All the best, Chaitanya, and see you some other time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.